guys, thank you for watching this video. I wish to invite you to my Patreon page as well as my YouTube membership site where you can gain access to walkthrough videos of this entire book and also much more. I'm posting there very regularly, a couple times a week, even more so than on YouTube, I think. So I hope to see you there. It's a small membership fee and it supports what I'm doing and helps me keep producing more high quality content for you. Thank you very much for your support.